If you want to turn on the dark mode on Instagram, this video will help you do that. But first, you need to update to the latest version of the app. This is important because the steps may be different in older versions. After that's done, open the app and click on your profile icon, which is located at the lower right corner. Now look for the 3 lines icon at the upper right corner and click on it. You should see that the settings and privacy option pops up. Click on it. Inside the settings, scroll down to the Your App and Media section and click on the accessibility option. Here you'll find the option for dark mode. Once you click on it, you'll see options to turn it on, off, or make it go with your system defaults for day or night mode. Click on the on button and you've successfully turned on the dark mode on your Instagram.